Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Google Map offline and iPhone. Using Google Maps on your iPhone is easy and very handy for traveling, especially to places you've never been to before. And here are the easy steps to use Google Maps offline on an iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone, open the Google Maps app, sign into your Google account, make sure to connect to Wi Fi or mobile data needed to download maps. Then search for the city, area, or place you want to save. Tap the place name at the bottom of the screen and tap the three dots, then tap download or download offline map. Adjust the map area by zooming out or in and then tap download again to confirm. Wait for the map to finish downloading, then turn on airplane mode to test offline access. Now open Google Maps and search within the downloaded area. Start navigation for driving, walking, or biking offline. Reconnect to the internet occasionally to update offline maps before they expire. Tips: offline maps don't show live traffic or rerouting. Ride hailing and transit directions require internet. Make sure your iPhone has enough storage space, as this required a huge amount of space. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.